This car is amazing. Look at the lines on it. First automobile inducted into the Museum of Modern Art as a permanent display. I fall in love with them every time I look at one. That's fantastic. Hey, Dave.
Hey, Skip.
How you doing? Good to see you, man.
buddy.
Thanks for
What's
bringing
up?
this beauty out.
Well, you're more than welcome.
Tell us a little bit about your Jag here.
Okay, this is a 1969 Jaguar E-Type. It's a Series 2, and you can tell because of the uncovered headlights. This car was built on November the 21st, 1968. It's a very, very early car. You can see because the seats are not pleated, and there's a couple of other odd items on the car. For example, the side running lights are on, but they're not wired up.
Right.
So
They're just there.
They're just there. And the car has won awards at Amelia Island and Hilton Head and the International Jaguar Festival and many other shows. And this one is double overhead cam 6. It is set up to European standards.
And as a British setup, you're running triple 2-inch SUs.
That is correct. I'm running the European style carburetors on the car.
I just love this thing. Dave, thanks a million for bringing this out
My
today.
pleasure, partner. You be safe.